Hi guys, it's me, Tommy. I'm outside my van right now. I just wanted to put a little short update right now. Just listen. Okay everybody, I wanted to tell you a couple things. I didn't put up a video for the last couple weeks because I was fixing the van and stuff. Now it's running all around the town and I'm waiting for all my electronic stuff to put in the van. Also, I got a new phone. I'm using a Pixel 4a 5G phone and it's pretty good video right now. It's more stabilized, which I'm enjoying. Now, it's a little windy here right now, but my buddy Will helped me out with this exhaust on my van and the catalytic converter, so everything's installed on there and it's running fine. There's only some little problems that I'm having with the van, like the blinker indicator lights aren't working as well. I think maybe the bulbs are burnt out on one of them or something. I gotta check that. The radio that I'm using, which is one of these $45 radios, that radio in the van used to work with my other phone, doing debug mode and doing phone mirroring and stuff like that. That was a cool thing, so I could see the maps on my screen. Pixel won't let you do the phone mirroring anymore. They only have Android Auto on the phone, which doesn't work for my radio. So now I have to buy another radio. So that's the radio that I have currently installed. It's a Chinese radio, and it's a 7010B, I believe. And that's the radio that I use. It does do Bluetooth and SD card and a USB stick, but right now it won't phone mirror. That's the only bummer of it. Next steps? Oh, great question. What are my next steps? Well, my next step is to actually put in the batteries, because I'm gonna get some fuses today. I'm gonna wire those batteries to the main compartment or to under the hood, and then those batteries will be charged by the van, and then I'll start adding everything that's going to be draining the juice from those batteries, such as the fan above. I got to get the block installed for all the fuses and stuff like that, plus outlets all around, and I have to get that air conditioning out of the back before I start doing the flooring. But these are just little updates. I want to let you know that I'm still alive and stuff is going on with the van, slowly but surely. And when I start getting all those pieces all in the mail, things are going to go fast and furious and there will be a lot more videos. I'll see you guys later. Bye.